the how to access the Quizlet. There are two ways you can access Quizlet. Number one, by if your teacher created Quizlet exams, then teacher can share the link in the general in the post section in the class in the that class. Likewise, this few days ago, online quizzes were uploaded here. So when I created the quiz on Quizlet, I also make the assignment in the assignment section where where a student attempted any Quizlet exams, the score or the result sheet or assessment student can submit in the view assignment, where teacher easily can check the score of the students and give them grades as per their marks. So here's the like this like this message will appear in chat section of the general section of the post of the your class, and by clicking here you can access the Quizlet exams, or by copying this link and paste in the browser you can access the quiz exam. So uh, I have created exam for the legal drafting, and the how when I click here, double click here, so that the directly I will join, I will access the. So there's another way you can access the Quizlet. Use first of all you have to open the. So here you put your cursor, and through Ultra V, or the link will appear, and click on the link, and this interface will appear on your screens. So this is the exams, and this Quizlet exams regarding the legal drafting, and these are the exams methods. In flashcards, you can learn the terminologies by using the flashcard. What is the civil procedure? If you want to know the definition of the civil procedure code, you put double click on it. The definition will appear. After reading this, then you will, there are 6 terms has been defined in flashcard. Next word is the suit, and if you want to know the definition of the suit, double click on it. A lawsuit is a proceedings by a party or parties against another in the civil court of law. After reading this, then you go the next terminology, that is preamble. If you want to know the definition, double click on it. The definition will come. The preamble means introduction. So these are the flashcards. By flashcard, you can know the meaning of the words, meaning of the terminologies and definitions, and description of the any terminology. And another test in learn section, there are 26 question will also come in that section. So if you the thing the definition will appear on the screen, but you give the word to that definition. The, the thing has been decided, a claim cannot be retried between the same parties, it has been already been legally resolved. So you have to give the answer of this. One thing remember, one thing remember, the judicial thereafter in this section, the judicial decision in a court case, and then you have to choose the appropriate portion. The jurisdiction decision, the judicial decision in a court case, meaning judgment. And thereafter another question, now you have to select the option of the correct option of that uh, definition. After there are 20 or whatever the teacher will give the questions in that section will automatically will come, and if you corrected, the points will come automatically recorded. If you not corrected, the minus or not answer the questions will automatically recorded. Now after completing this test, you will go back, and another test is the right. Now you have to write the answer of this. If you don't know, click this. Now answer is this. Correct answer is this. Copy it and paste here. Now you can copy the answer. Likewise, now next. Next, now if you know it, then you write here. If you don't know, you click it don't know. So 25 remaining. So the 25 questions are remaining, and you have to answer all 25. And thereafter spell. In this section, you have, after listening the answer, you have to type here. Okay. So in this section, you have to also answer the these are 7 rounds in this section, and thereafter these are the 3 tests, and thereafter another match. But you don't go test section, because this is the separate or another test which is very lengthy, and the score will appear on your screen separately in this section. But now you have to match. This is the game type exam, and you have to do this in a very short time. Best time is 32 seconds, 0.7, but you try to do it as much as very quick. Match the word with the proper answer. As you match the proper answer, the boxes will disappear. After attempting all these exams, then you need a scorecard. The scorecard will how you submit the scorecard. So first of all, the 4 tests, learn, write, spell, and match, their score appear here in this section. The score of all the 4 tests which I gave the tutorial will appear in this section. When you click on 3 dots, the scores. The cup is appear before the score. This thing you appear. Click on it. Top scorer, and your score in learn, write, spell will appear here. So what you will do? You will do this. You cannot upload this directly. If you are using laptop, click the print screen button. Thereafter, open the Paint, and then copy versus read. So here screen will come. Then what you will do? You need a score like this. Select here and do this and copy this, and thereafter again new screen and paste here. Then your score is appear. Then save it where desired destination you may save it, and thereafter upload that save portion in the view test in MS Team. This is in you with in front of your name. View test may in the view assignment. your names will appear in the list. You will click on your name. Thereafter, the interface will appear. You can write over there and you can attach any document. So you will attach this in your box, which view assignment will, when you will join the view assignment, and thereafter you save this document over there. Now, how to give the score of next test? In test section, in test section, there are a lot of tests appearing there. Five questions. You have answer all five questions. Thereafter, matching from here A B. You have to write A B C here, and thereafter multiple choice questions. You have to select a tick mark or on any corrected appropriate answer, and thereafter true false questions. 1 2 3 4 true false questions. And when you complete all these, what you will do, check answers. After checking answer, the grades come like this. Here I am not select a single answer, so my score is 0%. So if you attempted all, your question will be 100%. If you unable to attempt correctly all, the percentage will appear. Then what you will do, same you have to, if you are using laptop or desktop computers, print screen, then save it in Paint. If you are using mobile, you can capture your screenshot. Same way, then that's a screenshot of both tests. You will submit in your view assignment section in front of your name, in front of your name interface, where you can write or upload any answer. So this was the tutorial for the Microsoft Team, and as well as tutorial for the Quizlet software. You can access by website, and that Quizlet is the website. As well as you can download, if you are using smartphone, you can download MS Team app and also Quizlet app. So from the Quizlet app or Microsoft Team app, you can access all these softwares to participate online classes, which are very useful. I hope this video will help you a lot by using these two very useful tools for learning, blended learning, online learning, which is the need of time. So finally, Allah Hafiz, take care, stay safe, stay home.